Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if Roblox is not launching. So here's what you need to do. You need to clear temporary internet files. So things like cookies and some other files, but usually this doesn't solve anything. So what you want to do is reboot your computer and try to play again, or reinstall Roblox completely. Now, reinstall usually fixes some bugs and things, and it helps out with the problem. So try all of this. But of course, always you can check your firewall. If antivirus or insecurity is trying to block something, but it's nothing dangerous, you might want to check into that. But that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.